Welcome to the province of Sindh. The great Indus Valley civilization is located in the southern region of Pakistan with its abundant natural beauty. Sindh is home to a variety of forests that range from mangroves along with the coastline to the arid shrublands in the interior regions. The Sindh Forest Department, in collaboration with National Disaster Risk Management Fund and World Bank, launched a project restoration of riverine inland mangroves, dryland, and urban ecosystems of Sindh province. This project is aimed to enhance the biodiversity of existing different ecosystems. The riverine ecosystem of the great river Indus, which is a vital lifeline for the surrounding communities and a hub of biodiversity. The riverine ecosystem is essential to engage the local communities in conservation efforts to ensure the preservation of biodiversity. Additionally, the process of broadcasting seed is important in maintaining the ecosystem's ecological balance. It possesses a rich diversity of flora and fauna, and is characterized by lush and dense vegetation along the banks of Indus River and its streams. We have successfully achieved almost 7,000 acres in the riverine ecosystem. The highline forests are the essential part of the riverine ecosystems, which fills the transition between community land and the riverine ecosystem. The forestation is done through the manual irrigation system, and almost 1,000 acres of land is successfully restored in this project. The inland ecosystem is one of the promising landscape of the province. Walking through a lush green landscape, the beauty and richness of the Sindh inland ecosystem, where nature and community thrives together, providing food and shelter to symbolize resilience and sustainability. The fruit orchards of Sindh are home to a rich variety of fruit-bearing trees, each with its unique characteristics and flavors. The Sindh inland ecosystem not only supports diverse plants and animal species, but also plays a crucial role in the livelihood of the local communities. The community living in and around these forests have reliance on them for their livelihood, making them an integral part of their daily lives. In inland ecosystems, almost 1,000 of the inland forest is afforested with inland plantations and fruit orchards. The great Indus Delta, in which the mangroves are flourishing and renowned for their remarkable ability to endure adverse environmental conditions, withstanding periodic tidal inundation, high salinity level, and saturated soil. These resilient plants exemplify nature's resilience. Mangroves serve as a bridge between land and sea, as well as humans and nature, fostering the harmonious interrelation between human development and the natural environment.
We've just traveled through the mangrove areas that have been under restoration. Traveled by boat, we have on first hand seen the restoration that has been undertaken, and it's quite impressive given the progress that has been achieved over the past 3 years, since 2021. But the first assessment of the different areas was done. So we have seen newly planted areas, we've seen areas that has been planted a year ago and areas that have been planted 2 years ago. And what is really striking is that how fast this is going from even the areas that are very close to the sea, which is, you could say, on the frontier, that the planting is successful, and what we also see is that there's a natural regeneration coming at the same time. So even after 2 years, the areas have been fully restored, and they will develop into true mangrove areas going forward. So I think it has been overall very successful, and I'm happy to see the progress that has been made. Thank you.
The world of Sindh mangroves, a true gem of Pakistan's natural biodiversity. Compared to the other mangroves forests globally, Sindh mangroves stand out for their unique flora and fauna, showcasing a diverse ecosystem that supports a wide range of marine life. In this project, about 55,000 acres of mangroves are successfully planted. The success of Sindh mangroves can be attributed to the collaborative efforts of local communities and conservationists who work hand in hand to preserve this valuable ecological treasure. The significance of Sindh mangroves extends far beyond its borders, playing a crucial role in mitigating climate change, protecting coastlines, and supporting countless species of plants and animals. As we conclude our journey through Sindh mangroves, let us reflect on the vital importance of preserving and cherishing this natural wonder for generations to come.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बहुत शुक्रिया। सबसे पहले तो मैं अपनी जिसे कहते हैं टेक्निकल कमेंट से पहले अपनी खुशी का और सरत का इजहार करूंगा कि मुझे जिस कहते हैं ना कि हैरत भी हुई और खुशी भी हुई है कि मैंने पाकिस्तान और बाहर काफ़ी मैंग्रोव देखे हैं। ये जो केटी बंदर के इलाके में सुबह से हम आया, यहाँ पे हमने को रिसेंटली जो जहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट हुई वो इलाके कुछ पुराने इस्टेब्लिश मैंग्रोव देखे। तो माशाल्लाह एक तो ये कि मेरे ख्याल में सिंध फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध और ये जो प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया था NDRMF के थ्रू और वर्ल्ड बैंक के जरिए में खाली एक रोल मॉडल है, क्योंकि जिस तरह की रेस्टोरेशन मैंग्रोव की यहाँ हमने देखी है मैंने बहुत कम देखी है। दूसरा जिस चीज़ से मैं मुतासिर हूँ, इम्प्रेस हुआ हूँ कि वाइल्ड लाइफ भी आ गई है। यानी कि आप यूँ समझिए कि रेस्टोरेशन सिर्फ इस सेंस में नहीं हुई कि आपने पौधे लगा दिए, ग्रीन एरिया बढ़ा दिए, इसका मतलब पूरा इकोसिस्टम रेस्टोर हो गया। तो अभी आते हुए हमने देखा, मैंने बाहमनी काइट देखी, मैंने यहाँ पे सी बर्ड्स देखे। तो इसका मतलब है कि ये रेस्टोरेशन बड़ी कम्प्रीहेंसिव हुई है। अब आपको पता है जी, हम पुराने लोग हैं, मैंग्रोव्स में फिरते हैं, तो जंगल को देख के जो जंगल के ऊपर आपको अंदाज़ा होता है ना कि जंगल खुश है, तो जिस तरह की ग्रीनरी है, जिस तरह की थिक वेजिटेशन आई है और माशाल्लाह जिस तरीके से आई है कि लाइनों में प्लांटेशन हुई, तो मेरे ख्याल में एक तो ये रेस्टोरेशन का जो मॉडल है हमारे पास जो सिंध में, और ये अभी जैसे हमने आज देखा और मुझे उम्मीद है कि बाकी जगह पे भी ऐसा होगा, ये दिस शुड सेट अ बेंचमार्क फॉर इकोसिस्टम रेस्टोरेशन। दूसरी इसमें अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि मेरे ख्याल में इन मैंग्रोव्स की अहमियत इसलिए भी ज़्यादा है कि ये आप देखिए हमारे दरिया सिंध का और इंडस का डेल्टा है, यहाँ से सिंध और समंदर का आपस में एक राब्ता है। तो अगर मैंग्रोव हेल्दी होंगे तो ना सिर्फ वो जो समुद्र और दरिया के पानी का एक बैलेंस है वो कायम होगा, बल्कि जो वर्सटाइल वाइल्ड लाइफ है, जैसे यहाँ पे आपको पता है इंडस हम्पबैक डॉल्फिन एक बड़ी रेयर स्पीशीज़ है, बाहमनी काइट बहुत अहम स्पीशीज़ हैं, उनको हमने यहाँ देखा। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि इस मैंग्रोव की रेस्टोरेशन से ओवरऑल इंडस डेल्टा की हेल्थ पे भी बहुत अच्छा असर पड़ेगा। अब सबसे अहम बात यह है कि इसके नतीजे में रोज़गार जनरेट हुआ है। अभी आते हुए हमने देखा बहुत सी कश्तियाँ आ रही थी, लोग जा रहे थे, उनके चेहरों पे खुशी भी थी, जिसे लग रहा था कि जी वो आए हैं जो कैच लेने के लिए मछली का या प्रॉन का जा रहे हैं। तो अगर ये सिस्टम है तो सारा कुछ है। इसका फ़ायदा है कि मैंग्रोव की वजह से पानी जो है वो सेहतमंद है, उसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है, उसमें प्लांट लाइफ, उसमें फिश लाइफ, उसमें एक्वेटिक लाइफ सारी मौजूद है, और उसके नतीजे में जो लोग यहाँ रहते हैं जिनका मेन लाइवलीहुड ही है, उनको एक बहुत बड़ा मौका मिला है कि अपनी मुआशी हालत को, अपनी समाजी हालत को बेहतर करें। तो मेरे ख्याल में इसलिए इसी हाइड्रोमेट प्रोजेक्ट था, इकोसिस्टम रेस्टोरेशन का सिंध का प्रोजेक्ट था एग्जाम्पल फॉर सिमिलर रेस्टोरेशन इन पाकिस्तान। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस रेस्टोरेशन के नतीजे में लोकल इकोसिस्टम और जो लार्जर हमारा दरिया और समंदर का इकोसिस्टम है कन्फ्लुएंस पे, उस पर बहुत मस्बत असरात होंगे।
The rangelands, surrounded by shrubs in all directions, cattle can be seen leisurely roaming across the landscape, chewing on their hearty vegetarian fare. Sunlight beams down from above, gently illuminating the drifting clouds, while a gentle breeze rustling through the tall grass, whispering a warm greeting of the rangeland ecosystem. The range management activities carried out by Sindh Forest Department are essential practices that involve strategically planting seeds to restore or establish vegetation. The activities of seeding reseeding is carried out on an area of 900 acres successfully. Additionally to that, the sowing, planting and deforestation is also done successfully in this project. The massive urbanization triggered the need of urban plantation in urban centers. To counter the massive carbon emissions and daily life pollution, Sindh Forest Department in urban ecosystem has planted 500,000 number of plants in different urban centers, where the slogan is to embrace the concrete jungle with urban forestry, where nature thrives amidst the city's skyline. Urban forestry, where concrete meets canopy for a green tomorrow. One of the key initiatives undertaken by the Sindh Forest Department is the establishment of the urban forest in major cities such as Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar, and other major centers. These green spaces not only provide a respite from the concrete jungles but also play a crucial role in combating air pollution and promoting biodiversity. By planting a diverse range of indigenous trees and shrubs, creating a healthier and more vibrant environment for its residents to enjoy. The forest nurseries are the backbone of the urban ecosystem. In the arid landscape of Sindh, nurseries play a vital role in promoting greenery and biodiversity. Nurseries providing a steady supply of saplings for plantation drives. They provide a platform for the propagation of a diverse range of plant species including native and endangered variety. The province of Sindh is also investing in green initiatives along its canals and waterways, creating lush green corridors that not only beautify the landscape but also provide important habitat for local wildlife. By preserving and enhancing these natural areas, the Sindh Forest Department is not only promoting biodiversity conservation but also creating recreational spaces for residents to enjoy. The Sindh Forest Department has established a 500 avenue kilometers of canal-side plantations, which is a commitment to the environmental stewardship and sustainable development. In this project, to beautify Sindh streets, the Sindh Forest Department is also focusing on roadside plantations to enhance beauty of highways and streets. By planting trees and flowers along major roadways, the province is not only creating a more pleasing aesthetic but also helping to combat soil erosion and reduce heat effects in urban areas. In this project, Sindh Forest Department has established a 400 avenue kilometers of roadside plantation, served as a reminder for the importance of green space in our daily life and the role they play in creating more sustainable and livable environment, where women and youth are joined together to establish nurseries for their livelihoods. The technical assistance is provided through the Sindh Forest Department technical staff and officials. One of the greatest achievements of this project is to engage 1,762 number of Negevans from the local communities during the project period, and almost 6,897 man-months green jobs were also provided to the locals. The initiatives undertaken by the Sindh Forest Department, National Disaster Risk Management Fund and World Bank has enhanced the biodiversity of the province and improved the livelihood of the communities. Looking forward to work in collaboration with these organizations in future for the better and greener Sindh.